Hey guys, this is Subhas here, and currently I'm a visit on a very beautiful tour on Uttarakhand called Nainitals. If you are Indian, then I hope you know about this place where a lot of tourists coming on here. And you can see on a view on here, you can see this type of, you can see this is a cloud which is touch on top, and everything is so beautiful. And I am visit from last 2 or 3 days, and I stay on more some days. So why I am talking this views, because I have times, I have money, and everything I have, and everything how is possible, because I am putting really hard work to my work. I am following my passion, and as you know, if you know me as my background story, I am middle class boy, and I was not able to achieve this kind of freedom and money freedom without learning and without earning. So if you have a dream to tour around the world and in India, then I highly recommend you to start your online business. And your online business give you everything, like it will fulfill your what you dream. It is for a house dream, it is everything which dream you have from your childhood. It will completely change. So I'm just talking how I changed my views and everything. So I last 2 years ago, I don't have anything, I don't have money, I don't have freedom to visit any place, and nothing have. But I was joining Ministry of Freedom. I hope you know about Jonua Mestron, who is a great person and who is a leader of online business. So he taught me everything about how I build our software business without any technical skills. Like as you know, I don't have any technical skills. Still I am doing my own software business. So also, if you know, if you want to achieve your goals, if you want to build your software business, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, email marketing, and if you eventually you want to make around 10k to 30k to 50k per month, then you should learn everything from Ministry of Freedom. So I'm just not promoting any kind of product on here, but I'm just talking because I'm able to change my whole life. Then you can change your whole life, because if everything possible for me, then possible for you. I'm not a special person, no other successful person is special. You and me is completely common person, and if you putting really hard work which I have put it, then you can achieve same goal as I achieve. So if you want to know more about how you can build your established affiliate marketing and online business, then I have putting my WhatsApp number in the description box if you're watching on YouTube. And if you're watching on Facebook, that is completely fine. You can message me, text me, and call me and talk me personally about know how to build affiliate marketing business and how you can earn so much money using these special skills. Because modern the world every day change, and new business ideas, new business models coming every single day. So you should build your business, and let's enjoy the whole world like me. You can see the view is a really beautiful. So I'm just seeing as one view, because and I have visited lots of view which is beautiful. Then this is easier. Okay, so I hope you watch and you understand. Call me, message me on WhatsApp, and I will personally teach you everything. So thanks for watching. See you again, and thank you.